About 20 years ago, I had what I now realize were early awakening experiences. I was riding on the subway and I suddenly had an overpowering sensation. And this is hard to put into words, but it was as if everyone in that subway car at that moment lost their separation from each other. And I saw every single one of them as completely beautiful, like amazingly, astonishingly beautiful. They were just regular people sitting there on the train, like people do in New York, waiting to get to their whatever stop they're getting off at. But it was kind of mind-blowing, but it was only a few moments. It happened pretty quickly, and I just had this extremely strong amount of love for every one of them and feeling of connectedness. It was pretty cool.